Welcome back everybody to the Diamondxpres Diamond Painting Studios. Today we've got great news. We've gone with a new supplier at Diamondxpres and we're going to show you an unboxing of the type of product we'll be sending out in the future. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Okay, let's see what we have inside this. Got a lot of tape up on one end. I'll just cut this open right here. Okay. Oh, that's nice. Alright. Pretty crinkly. That's okay. That's the diamond painting. Put this off to the side. Alright, let's look at the tools first. Nice tray. Two really good pieces of wax. That's a pretty good tray. Pad for the pen. The pen is single, triple, multi-placer. That's really nice. Let's take a look at that right there. Okay, and that right there. Okay, good. And some nice tweezers. Very nice tweezers. So I gotta say, this is a fairly nice toolkit that comes with this diamond painting. Top of the line. Let's do the canvas next. There's a little plastic thing. Not a rubber band, so just two very small pieces of plastic. Wow. It's got the styrofoam insert. And the canvas looks amazing. It's got to be poured glue, is my guess. Yep, it is. And I'm going to take this back from each one of the corners. It might be double-sided tape. Okay. Yep. Okay. And then one last corner. All right. I love this design. And the back has got felt. Okay, and the felt is stitched in. So that looks really nice. That feels really good. This lays really flat. Okay, it's got 28 colors. It's a 40 by 50, and it's a round. I'm gonna bring this up here and let you guys look at the markings on it. Hopefully you're getting a good view of that. Alright. So, good design. Round diamond painting. Whoops. Yep, now this can be replaced with parchment paper. If you don't like the crinkly stuff, you can always just replace that with parchment paper. Okay, and then we have right here, we have the inventory. Okay, and oh, just one bag of each, just tells you how many. So this is really nice. I kind of like the way they've done this with the bags. Each color has its own bag, and it's a bag within a bag here. Feel around for the edges. I really don't want to cut this open. There we go. Oh man, that is stacked in there. So nice. And then each color, look, you just got to count 1, So you can take it like this. So the inventory, each bag has a number on it like this. Just go 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Okay. I did not see a 5 in there. 6, oh, there's 5, 7, 8. Well, I'm not going to make you guys sift through all this, but you guys understand. 9, 10, 11. This is what the bags look like, and the diamonds look really nice. Really nice. I hope you guys can see that. That looks really nice. And if we go all the way to the end, there should be 28, and there's 28, so that's nice. Okay, and then we look here, and if you ever want to know what the DMC number is, it has it right here. Wow, so that's nice. So good set of tools. A very nice canvas, very easy to read. It's got felt on the back, which will help it stay flat. There are no wrinkles whatsoever on this. If this isn't to your liking, then you just take parchment paper and put that on there. Good tools, good diamonds, good design, and good colors. So I give this one 2 thumbs up.